So morning people, you don't know your boy JNL, and I know most of you guys, probably know about the incident we're going with NKlyne mother. Probably most of you are gonna know about it now. Well, recently NKlyne, which is a YouTuber, for all who don't know him, is means a YouTuber. Well, I have a couple channel to be exact. You get to me, I say, man, my girlfriend upload the video. Bring joy to all people, because big man thing, them bring joy to me. You see me? On a big man level. You see it, I regularly tune in on video as a video drop, me see it and them thing there. So from a YouTuber to YouTuber, yeah, we support each other. You get to me, I say, so I know nobody feel like say, I don't support the man, but yet still, I gonna make that video. You get to me, I say. So now basically, what going on is, Mr. the Dog. I see people are post on live, you see me? When them say, yo, something go down with the mother. And big man thing, I see the live, you see it, and I click off it. Because I say to myself, say, yo, it's just a next video. You see me? But in my mind, I say, yo, but no man not gonna really run them through with them mother about video. With video, you get to me, I say? But however, I still say, I must a prank or something. You see me now? You don't know me, I do my daddy duties or something because I recently become a father. You see me? And my brother said to me, say, them NKlyne mother. And I look at him and say, Because I still never really believe, because I remember saying from the night before me, I say, yo, I must have a prank or something. You see, my dog say, yeah, them kill her, blah, blah, blah. So, however, that's the only thing he said to me. You see, I think at the time when he said it was yesterday morning, I wash plate and thing. I wash plate, but I remember, I think I sweep up the yard or something like that. You see me, so, anyways, I go about my business and I do my thing. You see me, him gone, I do my thing same way. So, I'm there in my room now, I don't know, be able to drop asleep. So, I go up on my phone. And I say, I'm going to look into this and see if I real thing. You see me? So, I go up on Google first, because as I go up on the YouTube, I see something come up, say, yo, NKlyne mother, this, that, blah, blah, blah. So, I say, So, I say, yo, I go up on Google and see what I go and feed them. I can't find nothing more, you see me, more concrete. You see me? And then, I buck up on one picture with the dog mother. You see me? Big man thing, I wish I can unsee that picture there. You understand? Because it's not a good sight. You see me? And to me, I don't think that picture they should have out there on the internet. You get to me? I say, especially the nature of the picture. You understand? Because she basically naked. You get to me? I say, and for a man, I don't know if him see the picture, you see me? But for a man, I look upon the mother like that, in that the condition, you see me? I can imagine how the dog feel. You get me? I say, cause when me see it, I say, yo, this up, brother. You see me? It really fuck up. You see? So, what I want to say to the dog is, bro, God, just go on with the faith, bro. You see me? No, now we not feel what you feel, brother, but we can imagine what you feel done. You get me? I say, me see mother lose pitney already. You see me? And what them go through, brother, and nothing normal. You get me? I say, so for you lose your mother, me G, me know say, yo, and nothing normal you go through. You get me? I say, and me know say, yo, Nikki by your side, you see me, 100%, and make sure say, yo, you're good. You get me? I say, you feel good and thing. You see me? So, bro, I know it's rough, dog. As me I say, I don't know how it feel, but I can't imagine, brother. You see me? And me as a man with my imagination, when my imagination take effect in a normal, you get me? I say, I can't imagine things, and the way I imagine it look real and feel real. You see me, bro? So, my condolence, my G. You see me? Fuck up, dog. I swear. That's all I can say, brother. Fuck up. You see me? Really, really fuck up, my G. You see me? I'm from a content creator to a content creator, you get to me and say, I hope that video your dog, you see me, make you feel a little better. You see me, I know it can't make you feel better. You see me, but at least I hope that video make you feel a little better for know say yo, people there will look out for you, my G. You get to me and say that? You might not, like, we might not talk, you see me, like, you know, conversation and them thing there. But people there will look out for you, bro. And I know say most of your fans will make you know say yo, we're there for you, my G. You get to me and say, so just go and hold the faith, my G. You understand? Just go and hold the faith. And I know probably 1 and 2 people look out for your song because of the whole situation. You see me? But to be honest, if I did me in a feeding position, I don't would I even make a song just to show you how the pain feel. If you get to me, I say. A lot of people sing song, you see me, for display them pain, to make people know what them go through or them feel. You get to me, I say. But with a situation like this, bro, I don't know if me that make a song about it. You get to me, I say, the way it hurt me. You understand? But at the end of the day, it makes sense. You understand? So just go and hold the faith, as I say, brother. You see me? Go and hold the faith, my G. Not gonna be an easy road, my G. You get to me, I say? Not gonna be an easy road, cause yo. Why me say that? In our life, you see me, as much as how you see things that go good, at some point something always go wrong. You understand? It might not happen for everybody, but it happen. You see me? You get a YouTube break. You see me and Nicky. You see me? You know I do nothing. Everything good. You get to me and say, you know, move and forward at Kingston. You see me? And thing at work. You get to me and say the thing at work, your music career, a kick off. You see me? Not even a kick off, your music career kick off already, my G. You see me? Song pan trending, what type of views and them thing there. I'm a check in, you understand? I'm a check in, I know everything, brother. You get to me and say, YouTube career go good, music career go good. You see me? You move forward at Kingston just to show you say yo, you want better. You get to me and say, and if you know say you forward come at Kingston and everything and work out, and then boom, this go on. Fuck up, brother. You understand? A lot of people have got through things that people don't know about. You see me? Meaning, as much as I want to see we as YouTube creators and as much as we make una laugh, sometimes behind the screen, you know, we not laugh, you know. You get me? Because we have got through things too. You understand? So not because we make sure say yo on the media everybody a laugh, everybody happy. That no means that we happy. You get me? I say. Wanna get to me? I say. You understand? So as me I say, my G, let's go on hold the faith. Not because we make one happy means that we happy. You get me? I say most of we have got through certain things that nobody don't know about. It's me, and to be honest, me nah go through nothing like that, but me have like ups and downs now and then. You see me? So most of the time when me now upload and them thing there is a reason. You get to me? I say, but I just saw the thing on my G. Just go and hold the faith. You see me? Don't make nobody jar you out, my G. Don't make nobody jar you out, brother. You see me? Just go and hold it, my G. You see me? I know them things make you want. Them things make anybody want to retaliate. You see me? Them things make anybody want to get mad and say, yo, watch out now. A dirt. So a dirt. You get to me and say? But most of the time, it's basically just low certain things. You see me? So whosoever in charge of whatsoever go on, them are going to face it, in the brother. Them are face it. You understand? Them are going to face the wrath. You see me? For them time I go forward. Everybody time I go forward. You see me? But just go and hold my G, that's all I can say, brother. You see me? So just go and hold my G. You see it? As I said, from a creator to a creator. You see me? My condolence, my G. You see me? Just go and hold the faith. You see me? Nicky, just go and hold down the G, make the G know say yo, you did it feel. You see me? And big up yourself, my G. You see me? Enough love and enough respect, brother. You see it? Just go and hold the faith, my G. Just go and hold the faith that I can't imagine, brother. You see me? So, thanks for watching, peeps. You see me? I hope that message I reached to NKlyne, you see me? I hope that message I can make him feel, you know, a little bit better. I can't make him feel better than at all, like 100%. You see me? So, enough respect, my G. Just go on with the faith. You get to me, I say. And after all of this done, brother, you understand? You still have to prove yourself to people, say, yo, you're still capable of doing things. You see me? Musically. You see me? And YouTube career-wise. You see? So, just go on all the faith, my G. Enough love, enough respect. You see me? You don't know your boy JNL. And